Salamat. Hello. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Gabriel, nako, nagbatog ka na naman. Magdara ka tubig. Ah? Balik ka. Salamat sa nagtatamsak. Thank you sa nagtamsak. Hello sa nagtamsak. Thank you so much. Hello.
Sa katunayan, ipinahayag natin ang Good First District Representative Paolo Ortega at ang Sur First District Representative si Sheryl Ohm na education sector ang prioridad nilang mapag-aanan ng malaking bahagi
Thank you for the thumbs up.
sa Department of Education.
Thank you 2 million people in the live, in the house. Salamat sa nagtamsak. Thank you.
Sa buong bansa.
Sa education, resolution sa mga letter sa atin ng mga mayor, sa mga teacher sa distrito ko ay construction ng classroom. Education is number one because that's
Thank you sa nagtatamsak. Thank you po. Thank you guys. 11 people in the house. Thank you so much. How are you guys? Thank you. Where are you from? Sa nagtamsak. Don't hesitate to say anything. Anything. Bubble gum blocks. Nog? What means nog? Thank you 13 million in the house. Thank you so much. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much nagta-thumbs up dyan. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Spread the lights. Don't want to Thank you 4 million thumbs up. Some 4 million. Nob. What means nob? What it means? No. What it means? Hi, Bubblegum Blacks. Hello. MGM. Hello, MGM. And where are you guys? Where are you from, guys? What means no? Bubblegum Blacks. What is no? Oh. $2 million. Philippines. Yes, I'm from Philippines. You're from Philippines? Me, I'm from Philippines. 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 Yes. Okay. Are you Pinoy? Were you here in the Philippines? Oh my goodness. 546 plus 5 equals 515. No.
I guess you can really consider
What?
statements po. Pero syempre, normal naman nila sasabihin. Again, billions and billions, how many billions? Kaya, saan sa makakatipid mo ba? Pag nasagot siguro yung mga tanong na ganun, makakonvince ako dun sa argument.
Well, where do I live to? Okay. I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything. What do you mean? What do you mean? I can't hear or you can't hear anything. Me or you? Iran, where do you live? Okay. You live in Iran and me, I live in the Philippines. I live here in the Philippines. My country is Philippines. Filipino.
Mga ganun naman na mangyayari. So, yung mga
Bubblegum blocks. Do you play grow a garden?
pero sabi ko,
Garden.
limiting na rin
Do you
character.
play ulit-ulit mo.
Okay naman
What do you mean, bubblegum blocks? Bro, she cannot play grow.
Yung sa comment na sabi ko,
And Roblox. In Roblox. No, I'm not.
ng iba preposterous. Eh,
No, I'm not.
pag
I am not.
kung mga ebidensya, may mga lumabas na yung mga resulta ng iba't ibang pati yung mga parallel.
I got banned. Why? Why you get banned in Roblox?
Ang basis mo is salita ng sa pagkakas.
My user is what? It is have a 1 billion players. Yeah, but I'm not. I'm not belong players there. Sorry. I'm not player. 1 billion. I don't know because I just play MM2. Okay. I don't know how you play. What do you mean? I know where you live in the Philippines. Yes, I live here in the Philippines. I'm from Philippines. You, Bubble Gum Blacks, where do you live? What is your country? Ibuklad mo na yung baby Gab na ano? Gabriel, buklad mo na yada ako kay mahorigda man ako. Buklad mo. Ilatag mo na. Hindi naman nakaano. Gabriel. Gab. 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 Halin na dun ko na bumudi. Ako na lang humali ka doon. Thank you, 5 million in the house. Salamat. You said una. What una? I never said una. Maybe the pronunciation. My pronunciation. I'm not said una. I have 2 Ben Stock and Amber Lily. What? Who's that? Who's that? Aray ko man. Huy. Aray. Oh my goodness. Ang dami mong girl. Search what the... Oh my God. I don't need to search. I have no time to search for that. Sorry. Ida Espijo. I'm a subscribe to you. Thank you, MJM. Thank you so much. What the heck? I don't like. Um, I'm busy for that. Sorry.
Mama, kung may tray,
What?
may impra daw.
What?
Mama,
Hmm.
ayun daw.
Ha?
Impra.
Sino mainom?
Kuya.
Kuya? Wait. Ah. Ah. Bubblegum, respect the host. What it
Ay naman
means?
ako dito.
Di ka man pwede mag-inom kay wala ka man kalintura. What age is your son? 9 years old. He's 9 years old. What? Yes. 9 years old. Wow, why? 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 Karalak mo naman. Why? What happened? Mom, what the? Mom, no personal questions, sorry. MJM. I'm ready. I ready years old. What?
Magiging next batch po ng house leaders. Pero sabi nyo nga, nakita ko yung affirmation na nag-support sa ating mga key leaders sa key positions sa house. So, maganda rin po siguro na abangan na rin natin sa pag-uumpisa po ng 28 Congress.
I'm already 11 years old. Oh, you're too young. We're here. Too young for this channel. I'm already. Yes, too young. Too young for here. Oh my god. Why? Oh my goodness. Why alone? Too young. It's too young. Have a, have a nice day, Ma, and bubblegum blocks.
Marami po magagaling at marami po qualified na sa kahit anong position.
Oh, how they're young. Him. That's why maybe they're not aware about what they saying. That's why they're too young. Oh my god. Here, um, need to they need to learn how to respect even by words. So here we use po and opo to the order. So I think I don't know. Delay. Yes. Delay. Why delay? Delay the about what? Thank you for the foreign people in the house. Thank you so much. Do you know what is
Maganda yung mga
yes, look Tim, their words is up. It's like a kid. It's a mountain. It's a volcano Kalaon. Oh my goodness. It is a volcano Kalaon. My god. What?
with the arrival of the new set of
Volcano Kalaon.
mga kampanya. Siyempre, lahat yan
Oh
may
my
medyo
gosh.
na priority. So, ang sikreto dyan kung paano tatangin para magkaisa kayo lahat. So, yung mga policies na sobrang importante again na priority measures.
Kung bakit ngayon ko lang natagpuan ang isang Do you know what is a candle?
Nag-engage talaga sila
Do you know what
para
is
sa
candle?
banda, nanasaktan. Pero individually po.
Thank you for the thank you sa nag-heart. Thank you so much. Bro, it is in the Philippines. Yeah, I know it's from the Philippines. Negros accident. Okay. Wag na great for you. Battle again, Lex. You make effort to search for that. Come on. Bye. Gulay. Thank you, Ida Espejo. Ida Espejo. Espejo talaga. You know the espejo means here. Salome. Espejo. Mirror and the wall. I'm from Barangay Zone 6. Okay. That's great. Thank you for 3 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 5 people in the house. Thank you so much. Baka naman, patamsak din kayo dyan. Tamsak-tamsak lang pag may time. Guys, sa taga saan kayo? Sa mga nanonood? O maalas? O bumabalik? Makiki ba yan? Makikibasa? Makistok? Makimaritas? Pamor? Ay, na. Thank you. So, sumisilip. May nasisilip. May nasilip ba dito? Nakita ba kayo? What it means. Yan. Sobrang bilis mo lang nakalimutan. Sa DOS, salamat sa nanonood sa DOS. Tunay ka ngang totoo. Hindi ko ini-entertain yung mga sorry hindi ako nag-entertain ng lalo na yung mga words na ganyan. Siguro wrong channel ka naman puntahan. Hindi talaga ako nag-entertain ng mga toxic na ganyan. Sorry po. Mabait ako sa mabait pero gago din ako. Sorry po. Siguro sa ibang channel, baka ma-entertain yung attitude ng ganyan. Kasi ako kasi, pumunta ka, nagla-live kasi ako dito, tingnan mo, ganyan lang. Tapos, kung ayaw mo sa akin, dun ka sa ano. Tapos kung may sasabihin kang ganyan din, nakaka-toxic na words na sasabihin mo sa akin, you're not alone. Yes, sorry. What did I just said bad words. So bad words. Bahay kubo. Kahit munti. Ang halaman doon. Pangiti-ngiti lang sa umpisa si Aida. Pangiti-ngiti, sumisilip-silip, may pa ganun-ganun pa. Nag-TikTok lang pala. Tapos may pag... At the end, sasabihin mo sa akin yan, who you? Who you ka? Sino ka? Perfect? Perfect ang buhay mo? Perfect yung pagkatao mo? Nobody's perfect. Baka mas bulok pa nga yung pagkatao mo kasi sa akin. Sing the song.
Umakot na yan.
Nagbatog ka na naman. Tinagang ko na ikaw karta kanina. Bahay ko ba? Pasilip-silip pa kunyari to si sa Ida kunyari may paganon-ganon ka pang nalalaman, ganyan-ganyan pa, patawa-tawa, ngiti-ngiti. Tapos may kilala akong ganyan. Ganyan na ganyan, pangiti-ngiti lang siya, umpisa, pangiti-ngiti. Akala mo, hindi gagawa ng kalokohan. Akala mo, ang bait-bait sa'yo. May kailangan din pala sa'yo. Silip-silip ka dito, tapos ganyan sasabihin mo. My God, Aida. Salamin na salamin na. Sabi ko na nga ba huwag kang masyadong halata. I am 50,000 years old. Okay. You're not obviously tell lie. Hindi halatang nagsisinungaling ka, bubblegum blocks. Not obviously you tell a lie, bubblegum blocks. Not obvious. Huwag kang masyadong halata, bato-bato sa langit. 1,000. My God. My God, bubblegum blocks. Wag mong gawing komplikado yung isip mo, yung sitwasyon. Huwag kang magaganyan-ganyan. Bata ka pa talaga. Paano kita i-mention? Arabic word. I don't understand your words. Can you speak English, man? How I recognize you? Arabic word. It's Arabic. Thank you for 3 million in the house. Huwag kang masyadong halata. The pet is a real one of enemy. Ano ba yung pinagsasabi mo? My goodness. Masyadong ito. Napumlimado ka sa buhay. Dahil mong pinoproblema. Pati ba yan? Problemahin mo pa. Hay nako. Sawang-sawa na ako sa problema. Tapos magbibigay ka pa ng mga ganyang godness. I hate problem, you know. I hate. Bato sa langit. Is it unfit? Oh my goodness. Is it infecting me? Manuel! Hello, Manuel. Hi, Manuel. Oh my goodness. I know your name, Sheryl. Yes, it's because it's my channel name. Oh, thank you. Bebo. Kang masyadong halata. Bato, bato sa langit. Nana? Nana? Haginom ka tubig. You don't know her name because you don't spell it
Ano
right.
yun, mama?
Ano yun?
Nagkakawa.
Oo, fun. Baka dito si Nana sin. Manuel, can you speak English? I know that how I is the collapse get away. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Sapat to yun. Parang ano to eh. Nawawala sa sarili. Huwag kang masyadong halata. Bato, bato sa langit. Buti ka pa, sobrang bilis mo lang ako makalimutan. Thank you, Gab.
Nagkakumama dun sa ro.
Kuha ka na dito, kuha ka dito sa small. May ano ba doon, kuya? May ba yan? May kutsilyo. Doon saan mo ka na tali? Kaya maano ko makugmitin.
Isa ko naman.
Paman tabi dito, kuya, ang kutsilyo sa may ano.
Yan, ako.
Doon lang mo sa may ano, ha? Thank you. Ba't ang nagtabi? Salamat sa tumulong in the house.
Wala ka na mama na views.
Hmm?
Views. Zero. Ito. Oh, wala na guys.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Dallas, Peo. Do you know the Cebu province of the Philippines? Yes, I know Cebu. But I'm not go there. But I'm not go there since birth. But I know Cebu province here in the Philippines. Bye bye.